Benin people, why will some of you leave your tribe, Edo tribe, to Esan to form a union of Edo which means Edo that is outside the territory? You know, why will you leave your territory with your expansionist idea to Esan land, knowing fully well that Esan is your rivals in that state? And I am glad that Esan people now are now beginning to speak out. The historians, Esan scholars, historians, they now begin to speak out to debunk those false narration, all those fabricated story written by a Benin historians against Esan. And Esan people now, Esan historians, scholars are now beginning to debunk them. Now, guys, let's watch this video of our brother here, this Esan, prominent Esan. I will regard it as historian or scholars that tip something on regarding the Edonorisi and some fabricated history that they begin to narrate about Esan. Now let's watch it and I'll come back to to elucidate on it.
This is Esan in history. I'm talking about Esan model. It is important that we share some thoughts on Esan. My concern here is not to argue for or against. There are so many historical reports concerning Esan and their origin. But one thing is sure, Esan is Esan. Esan is Esan. And this word Esan is used in triple ways. It could be used to represent people who live within this locale, Edo Central Territorial District, made up of 5 local government areas. Esan is also the language that is spoken in this place. But we cannot rule out the fact that we have some connectedness with the Benin people. We have that connection. But for anybody to come here and tell us that...
Alright, you can clearly see this video where these Esan scholars were trying to debunk some of the fallacious narration against Esan. You know the Benin, they always want everybody to see their own point of view without even listening to their themselves. They want Esan to accept all those fabricated history that have been narrated. That Esan people jump out from Benin, or rather they migrate. And then they did the Obaewari the first, and now decided to name Esan. Do you know the kilometer between Esan, the distance between Esan and Benin? The Edo tribe. They are far from each other. Forget this. In those days, you know that before you can move from Edo, which is the Benin, we call the city named Benin now, the Edo tribe to Esan, you have to spend approximately 6 months or more than, if not more than, with your barefoot. Now, how did Esan people now just heard that, oh, Obaewari said, oh, you are now called Esan because you jump out from the Benin kingdom or their fabricated empire. To tell you that these people, they don't know what they're thinking. If you go to Esan cultural, Esan culture, which is the major, let's focus on the dance. All Esan dance, if you go and verify the Babonelmi, the Golo, the name it, you see the jump. He exercise who we really are, the true Esan. Esan dance is mostly exercise, jumping, flying, and doing all those things. That is mostly exercise. Those are where the names, Esan name, derive from. Not what these Benin people are saying. And perhaps they don't even have the etymology of the word Esan. How did Esan now say, okay, let's change it from Osanfwa to Esan? Are you kidding? The similarity between Esan tribe and the Edo tribe is based on as the result of the intermarriage, huge intermarriages between the both tribes. And also the second wave, not even some, it was some Benin that migrated to Esan, that the Benin people, not even called Benin, the Ogiso dynasty, that the Benin now are not claiming that they found Esan. How can you find a tribe that is old as your old tribe? Now, as a Benin person, my question for you, tell me one of your tradition that is being carried out, that is being done in Esan, which I know that the answer you will find, and you search and search, you will not find anything. All our dance is different from your dance. I never see any Benin person or a Edo person dancing a goal. Never. And even our tradition regarding women, your women, married women, need to go need to swear for fidelity purpose. Our Esan women don't need to swear anything because it's already called Elimi, the Esan Elimi, which is ancestors, already protected everything. Any woman who try it will face the consequence. But your women, after bride price, they rather choose to swear or not to swear. If they don't swear, nothing will happen to them until they swear. Esan are not used to going to swear or use Ogun. Now tell me all your things that deity that be practiced in Esan. Okay, if all Esan actually migrated from Benin, there must be your culture, like the Igwe festival, your dancing, your name it, that will be practiced in Esan. To tell you that all your history are fabricated history, are so fallacious to the extent that is bigger than the population of China and India combined. How can you go to Esan land to form a donorisi? That shows that the high rate of disrespect. And once Esan will come after you people, you'll be playing victim card, Obiesan, Obiesan, and Obiesan, like the way you guys have been doing it. You people don't know how to, don't learn how to, you people don't know how to set boundaries. Don't even respect boundaries. Esan and Benin are neighbors. Now, undermining the similarity between our that is the result. The language similarity as the result of the marriages, intermarriages for long. Even Esan people, your kingdom self, the mother of this what's it called, Basawa, and there is already his ancestors is from Esan. She is from Esan. I swear. Even your Bazola, before when he came back to invade Esan, where did he run to? He ran to Esan as a refugee. Was a refugee in Esan. So the place that you run to be a refugee now turn back to be a place that you formed, a place that you run to as a refugee, that give you food, water to eat. Then you now begin to turn back and claim that you own that place, you formed that place. Esan, and let me tip this history. Why I don't like history, say something about history. History bring back a lot of memory. Esan and Benin people, which is the Edo tribe, they actually migrated from many tribes as a result of all this natural disaster, the flood. All the tribe met, according to the history, you see all the tribe met at the place called Uhe, the present day, what is it called? The present day Gogi. All of them met in that place. The Esan, the Urobo, the Igbo, according to the history, majority of the tribe met in that place. Then later, because they come as progenitor, you call Idu, and at the end of the day, you are not claiming that tribe. You guys to, learn how to set boundary, know your boundary. Your boundary stop at Edo South. Not all Edo South, but let's put it as Edo South. Your boundary ends there, and you have to keep your things to yourself. The difference between the Fulani and the Benin, which is the Edo people, is that Fulani stay in the forest to unalive people. Benin come to your city to try to subdue. Why did your Oba invaded Esan land of Bazola? Because he wanted to gain more popularity, to gain more influence, to control more territory, and he met his doom.